Today, we're excited to share a video of our 2-day tent camping trip at Mike Roess's Gold Heads Branch State Park in Keystone Heights, Florida. So, welcome to our campsite. It's nestled under the trees and is absolutely beautiful. Look, they're working on the second tent. We brought some food from home, but today we'll cook some more. We've got a gas cylinder and stove for that purpose, and we have an electrical outlet to inflate the mattresses. This tent can accommodate up to 11 people. Last night, we all slept in this tent because it was getting dark and cold by the time we arrived at the site, so we only had time to put up one tent. Check out this part of the tent. We can put a twin air mattress inside of it. Here's the area I was telling you about. In the main area, we have 2 air mattresses. The kids are playing hide and seek, and you'll see the sleeping bag moving around. We've just finished setting up the second tent, and it looks pretty fancy. The temperature is in the low 40s at night and near 50 during the day, but it's a beautiful day with no flies or mosquitoes. We're lucky that we can go home without any insect bites. Wow, nice! The park is situated on rolling sand hills on the north-central ridge of Florida, providing a serene escape from the busy work schedule in school. Visitors can enjoy hiking and wildlife viewing along the park's nature trails. Additionally, a large picnic area with tables and grills, pavilions, and a playground is available for visitors to enjoy. Our campsite was equipped with water and electricity, making our stay comfortable and convenient. Last night, we burned some wood in the fire pit to keep warm. Let's go for a walk. Does anyone know who this burrow belongs to? We're planning to go hiking, and if we're lucky, we might spot some wildlife. The kids are having a great time running around. Hey, look! There's a small bridge over a creek. There's a waterfall sound. Can we check it out? Wow, it's beautiful. We're heading back to the campsite. Look, there's a deer. We're taking a shortcut to reach our temporary home. Oh, There it is. We have some battery-powered lanterns to use at night. It's dinner time. Tonight, we're having some beef sandwiches and barbecue chicken. The campfire is a lifesaver today. We're packing up to head back home. The tent is in the bag now. Just 20 minutes after we left, it started raining heavily. We were lucky that it didn't rain or get windy while we were in the tents. Goodbye and thank you for watching.